In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to type a copyright symbol in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, let's get started. So first things first, you need to bring up any document app like Notepad or Microsoft Word. So click on open the moment you have seen the best match to bring up the window. So in order to type the copyright symbol, all you need to do is you need to press Alt key and press 0169 key in the number keys placed at the keyboard being placed at the right key in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to type the copyright symbol in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let me show you my on-screen keyboard to completely see or show you what exactly keys you are going to press on so that you don't have any confusion or any mistakes the moment you've clicked on it. So let me just navigate to the best mesh and let me just click on open. Okay, so what am I saying is that you can see number keys being placed at the top of the keyboard, and you can also see number keys being placed at the right key in the keyboard. Okay, I mean right side of the keyboard. So the number keys that you are going to use on is the number keys that are being placed at the right side and not on the top side. Okay? So just press Alt key and press 0169 together, and in that way you would be able to type a copyright symbol in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so let's try. Press Alt key and type 0169 and release the Alt key, and that way you would be able to type the copyright symbol in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so let's try. Press and hold the Alt key, then type 0169 and release the Alt key, and in that way you would be able to type a copyright symbol in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so just type for Alt, press it, and together with 0169, and in that way you would be able to type a copyright symbol in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.